Hi guys, so my name's Julie. I've been asked to do a little video for you all, basically just to see and tell you how great Instasmile veneers are. As you can see, these are my natural teeth. Now, they're very yellow, and it's always made me very conscious. Big thing with confidence. I've been with Instasmile now for nearly 4 years, I'd say. And I personally cannot live without them. What else could I tell you about me? More of late, I think in the very beginning, when I first came across Instasmile, like a lot of people, veneers via a dentist, amazing. I would love to have them done, but equally the price tag that comes with it is, I know for me, completely out of my budget. I think if I remember rightly, I came across Instasmile whilst I was looking on options of veneers. And like I said, best thing I ever did, best thing I ever invested in. And I would continue to go on praising the company, for many years to come. Recently, I say recently, 2.5 years ago, I have come through now a marriage breakdown. And I think being back out on the dating scene, as you like, for me, if I was to walk around with my normal teeth, I don't think I would have had the confidence to go off on those dates and meeting new people. But because I have got my Instasmile teeth, that's no longer a worry of mine. I get commented a lot, whether it's out in a shop by day or meeting people, or I've just embarked back into education. And to be honest, for me, the first thing people notice are my teeth, and they comment on that, which, again, in regards to confidence, it's been a massive builder in my life. Very easy to put in, very, very costly, I'd say, as in good costly, not bad costly, wrong word. I haven't got my trays here that they come in. They come in a lovely little Instasmile box. I've just got mine here to show you. Now I go for, and again, it's a personal preference. I want the Hollywood white smile. So that is exactly the shade that I've gone for and always gone for. I have the classics. Very easy to slip in. So that's your bottom. Just got 2 little clips. No one would ever know either that you've got them in. 2 little clips at the top. Now, as you can see, very natural looking, and instantly my smile stands out. I've come across people that prefer to go for more natural shades, which equally Instasmile do. Again, it's about personal preference. People have asked me initially, when you first get your first set, was I comfortable eating with them in? Did I have a slight lisp? All of those questions. I can honestly stand here and tell you, very beginning set. Obviously, they're made to your own teeth naturally. They do take a few days of getting used to. And yeah, on the odd occasion, there were certain words that I would struggle to say, but equally, they become part of you. They become part of your everyday life. For me, I eat with them in, I drink with them in. You can sleep with them in. Sometimes I do, but most of the time I will take them out, just because I want to prolong them, really. And I would that be different if I was dating? I don't know. Maybe I would take them out. Maybe I would keep them in initially in the beginning. But again, personal preference. So anyone looking for a massive confidence boost, if their teeth to them is their major problem, without a doubt, 100%, I would definitely go for Instasmile. It will be the best thing you ever did.